I want to share with you a framework that I've found exceptionally helpful for making better decisions. Take a moment to picture this. Something happens to you. You might get cut off in traffic, or a friend says something mildly inflammatory. And from that, you feel an emotion, and it's usually rather strong. And then you go looking for reasons to justify it. Yes, you use that brilliant, logical mind to find a reason to justify the way you feel. And from this, your behavior will follow. It's easy to do, and it feels pretty right in the moment. However, it's typically not the best way to make decisions. In fact, I'd argue it's probably one of the worst. Instead, the more rational human will still experience something, and they do feel the emotion, but they distance themselves from the emotion just enough to get to the objective source. This might seem fairly self-evident, but I do have a challenge for you. For the next few days, spend some time in your day observing your interactions and your emotional responses. I can guarantee you will be amazed at how often you fail to do this. What do you think? Does this fit with your own experience? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks.